In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Notion efficiently and seamlessly. If you've been wanting to integrate these two powerful tools to streamline your project management tasks, you're in the right place. We'll guide you step by step in just 5 minutes so that by the end of this video, you can have both apps working together in perfect harmony. First, let's start by heading over to Notion. If you already have it open, great. If not, now's the time to launch it. Once inside Notion, we'll need to create a new database. This is an important step because this database will be the home for all your tasks syncing from Asana. It's essential to ensure that your database has properties that match the fields you're currently using in Asana, such as task names, due dates, assignees, and any other details you find crucial. This matching of properties ensures a smooth transfer of information and makes it easier to manage your data seamlessly between the two platforms. Now that we've set up our Notion database with corresponding properties, the next step is to log into Unito, the tool we'll be using to facilitate this integration. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a flow. This is where the magic happens. Creating a flow in Unito allows us to set rules for how information will move between your Asana and Notion accounts. With the flow creation process underway, the next step is to connect both your Asana and Notion accounts. Unito will guide you through this process, making it easy to establish a secure connection between the two platforms. Make sure you follow the prompts and grant the necessary permissions for Unito to access your accounts for synchronization. Once the connection is established, you'll want to choose a two-way sync for your flow. This is a crucial step, allowing updates to reflect in both Asana and Notion, regardless of where the changes originate. This ensures that all team members have the most current information at their fingertips, whether they're looking at Asana or Notion. Now, let's talk about mapping fields. In this part, you'll match specific fields in Asana with their corresponding counterparts in Notion. This includes task names, due dates, and any other custom fields you've set up. Field mapping is essential to maintaining data consistency and ensuring that everything is organized as intended. After mapping fields, you have the option to add rules that help tailor the flow to your specific needs. These rules can filter tasks or automate specific actions, depending on your workflows and preferences. Finally, before going live with your new setup, it's wise to test the integration in both directions. Make changes in Asana and see if they reflect in Notion and vice versa. Once you're satisfied everything is functioning smoothly, go ahead and activate the flow. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've connected Asana to Notion, creating a powerful toolset that helps you stay organized and efficient in managing your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.